Hi and welcome to Cafe Chronicles. I'm Steve. Okay, so last time we took a little look at the electronics tray, painting it up, making some changes to it so that we can fit in our M unit. Also, I mentioned that I had sent out the tank and the side covers to have them professionally painted, so hopefully they look really good. We are waiting on a few things, which is kind of really messing up the system and the way that I do this stuff. To give you an idea, I really want to get the back wheel on the bike. I want to, everything's back together. You might have remembered in one of the other videos, we put the new brake back together. We rebuilt the drum brake and the rear wheel. We put our new rear sprocket on there. Everything's looking good. We cleaned up the rim as well, so it's all good. We can technically put the rear wheel and the swing frame on the bike. However, the bolt that connects the swing arm on the back, we don't have it yet. I've ordered it, and because the old one's damaged from trying to get it out, because it was seized in the frame. So that being said, we gotta wait before we do that. The carbs, I can't rebuild the carbs yet because I'm after ordering ultrasonic cleaning bath kind of a thing, which we need to clean those things in before we reassemble them and put them back on. And we can't put the airbox on until we put the carbs on. So, which leads us to the front. We've got the brake levers. We've got the switches, our new switches, which are awesome. You're gonna love those. And we've got the grips. But what we don't have is our Baron mirrors, and I cannot find a dimension online to find how much I should leave in order for them to fit on here nicely in the end. So I don't know whether to just to wait until I come in before we can work on that. Not sure. We do have our headlight, which we can put on, but it's in the way of the little manifold for the front brakes. So I was kind of like, should we still put that on? I don't know. I guess we could put it on and you know, kind of take it off as we need to, I guess. So as you can see, it kind of gets messy in what we can do right now and what we can't do. So that being said, you know, we need to keep working on things and keep putting it back together because there's a lot still to do. The front calipers as well, we can't rebuild them until we use the ultrasonic bath on those too. But what we can do is we can put our new gauges on here, figure out how we're going to attach them onto the clamp on the triple tree. We can do that, yeah, go from there. So that's what we're going to look at today, is putting those nice new gauges on there, and let's see how it goes. So I've had a little bit of a change of heart. I think there's two potential ways that will look cool. I'll show them to you guys. I think both will look really cool. I don't know which way to do it. And I think that having the headlight on there will have an impact on which I choose. So let me show you. I think they're gonna look really smart. I wish you guys could just be here and tell me, or if this was live and just tell me. Okay, so we can either fasten them to these or to these. There's one thing I need to take into account, that's the choke. I believe the choke was fastened onto one of these. I gotta figure out which that is. So that's one. But obviously I can move the choke around, you know. So that's one way for these to go, like that. The other way for these to go would be here and here, like that. I think both look really cool. However, two things to take into account. One is the choke. There is a little clip that would hold the choke. So we'll see where that naturally is supposed to be. Also, the headlight's going to be right here. So, you know, will it look weird having them here like that with the headlight here? Or is it actually better to have it here like this? Will these interfere if they're this much forward? Maybe it'd be better if they're back here. Don't know. So I think we're going to slip these guys up, pop the headlight on temporarily, try seeing where the choke goes, and then we'll make a decision based on that. What looks better? That or that? From a stability standpoint, I've got a feeling that they're going to be more stable out here just because the hardware is stronger. Okay, I've just kind of jimmy rigged these here for you. So the gas tank would be here. It would come out to about here. Either side like that. Is that too close together? I've kind of really jimmy rigged these here. They're crooked even there, so. Is that too close together? Does it look a little stupid? And there's the other way. So here you'd be looking at tank out to here, tank out to there, like that. There it is from the front. So I think I'm going to leave them like this. I like it like that. I'm after putting in the choke here just to see what it looks like. And I'm pretty happy with it. You know, I'm going to get better hardware here. That'll help that stay nice and steady and everything. You know, I might probably at some stage get a little fixture for my phone so that I can use it for GPS here in the middle too. But it's starting to look pretty cool. It's starting to look like a motorcycle. This here, I'll have to make sure I'm very happy with, you know, where it is before I really truly tighten it up. Even with the clip-ons and stuff the same way. As soon as the tank's back and I get the seat on and everything, I'll be able to sit up on it and really kind of, you know, check that out. But it's looking pretty cool. Okay, well, thanks for tuning in to Cafe Chronicles. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that old bell there, and make sure you guys stay up to date with all our new videos as we release them. And talk to you guys soon.